Well, we hope this episode helps somebody out. It's just a quick video on how to replace your stanchion base.
Base broke some time ago. Yes. And obviously wasn't very easy to find a replacement. These ones are very old. They could be the original on the...
I think they are.
Yeah.
Condition of the aluminium.
Yeah, so over 50
fragile.
years old.
Yeah.
But luckily we went to the local nautical shop and we found this.
It may just fit, but it will fit. I'm going to make it fit.
Yeah, it's very, very similar, isn't it?
Yeah. It doesn't quite line up, but...
But you can make it work.
Yeah.
So hopefully if that fits and fixes, then we're gonna go back and buy some spare, because believe it or not, that was only 10 euros.
10 euros.
So that's a very good price, because...
It fits Westerly's.
Exactly, because I heard that back in UK, it's very hard to find some and people had to have them custom made.
Yeah.
And they were like at least 25 per piece or even more.
Even more.
So
yeah.
if that works, it's a success.
Yeah, and you can draw this out a bit. It's quite thin.
Yeah.
Down
It's not bad.
towards the edge.
Yeah, let's have a look.
It's well made.
Yeah. The only difference is you said that there is no
There's no grub screw.
grab screw on the side for to hold the post.
But hopefully it's going to be a tight fit.
Yeah.
And it's quite a long base.
Yeah. Brilliant.
It will sit in there.
Okay. Well, let's do it.
Let's go and find the nuts. The nuts are in this cupboard.
I'm done.
1, 2, 3. You can see them encapsulated into the fiberglass.
Yeah.
So we're going to get rid of this fiberglass, even if we just get rid of one side, just to get a spanner on the nut.
Okay.
And they should release them. Unfortunately, they're spinning in there. If they'd encapsulated them a bit stronger, the bolt would have came out.
Yeah.
So we're going to cut this away, shave this off, and expose the nuts.
Okay. Oh my god, the other side is even more black.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Jesus, more cleaning. Maybe you don't have to do the top one.
No, you won't. I was going to chisel them out,
Okay.
but I found this little circular saw blade that goes on a drill.
Oh, okay.
So that should make it a lot quicker, hopefully. And the drill just fits.
Oh my god.
There's one nut.
Oh yes.
There you go.
They keep turning.
Yes, the screw sturdy up top.
Okay.
I'll put some spray on it. So we've got one up, so there's one studio.
All 3 nuts are exposed now.
Yeah, we can get a socket on each one.
Yeah. You ready? Got it. Oh yeah. Much better. Much better. They're both out.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
put it through at the top. Just the base a bit more. Bottom. That's through. Now, spin it round. Okay, side. Not quite through there. Let's try this side.
Swap. Ah. Need to hold it down maybe?
Yeah, got it.
Fish is coming to have a look.
Yeah.
Apologies for the noise, ladies and gents. Wow, that is really stuck, isn't it?
It's peeling off.
Oh,
There you go. Lift it up.
yay! Well done. There we go. Look at this. Oh,
Second-hand stanchion basically. So.
yeah, look at this. Anybody wants to buy it? Anybody interested? We'll put it on a SAILORSBAY. Good. Okay.
Okay, let's write for size. There we go.
Yes.
And
And two holes.
we're gonna get,
Two holes line up.
yeah,
No, maybe even
yeah, and possibly throw them over a bit.
two definitely lining up.
Yeah.
And third one
The third one we'll put in with a washer. On
just
top.
a bit off, innit?
Yeah.
That's brilliant. Oh my god.
Yeah, we'll get two in and put a washer on the other one.
You know, and this is one of those jobs I was really dreading. You know?
Yeah, it's not easy. It's not a straightforward job sometimes. This has gone pretty easy.
Brilliant.
The hardest thing was getting this, the old base off.
Yeah.
So we get some sticker flex. I'll find some. Might just use one thinner bolt, so it goes through the hole. It'll be all right.
Okay.
There we do. And if the holes don't line up, if I've only got half an hole, it'll go through.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it like gonna bite into the
Yeah.
fiberglass?
No.
No?
No, it will find its way through.
Oh, okay.
You can see what's happened to this one. See?
Oh yeah. It's actually a bit wonky.
Yeah, and the header's closed.
What does it mean?
Yes, it's closed.
Oh yeah, it's narrower.
Yeah, that's where it's been pushed over, so that's why the screwdriver wouldn't go in.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see.
But we're going to replace one bolt anyway, so it doesn't matter. So we use two originals.
And one new one.
Yeah, and one new one. And Sikaflex it all up.
Okie doke.
And yeah. I did have some that small, so I put them in there yesterday. No, it's going to have to be drilled a bit. This.
Okay, so third one is a bit
Yeah, it's a bit
off.
too much of a squeeze. Almost. There you go.
Oh, you pushed it in?
Yeah.
So it's okay?
Yep.
Oh my god, brilliant. Then we go.
I didn't do the stick effects yet.
Oh yeah. Look at you, Picasso.
Yeah. That's my mountain or tent. Like that. Like that. Like that.
Okay.
It's good because it's too tight now. Just making sure that'll go in. That's it. I'll go and do the nuts. Or do you want to do the nuts?
No, I can hold it, you do the nuts.
Okay.
And the new stanchion base is done. So this is what it looks like now. Once the Sika flex goes off, then I can clean it up nicely. And let me show you now what it looks like on the other side. And there we go. All done. I can't believe how quickly we've done it.
Hour and a half, I think.
That's crazy. I thought it would be really such a long job and everything. It's done.
Yeah, it's not a nice job because of what you have to do to your boat.
Yeah.
You have to butcher it, you know.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.